Let's break down Clause 4.1 from the FIDIC Yellow Book, 2017, in simple and clear language. First, the contractor's main responsibility is to carry out the works, exactly as described in the contract. When the work is finished, it must be fit for its intended use. That means, it should do what the employer needs it to do, as explained in the employer's requirements. If no specific use is described, then the finished work should at least be suitable for its normal, everyday use. The contractor must also provide everything needed to complete the project. This includes the plant, which means equipment or machinery, and any spare parts listed in the employer's requirements. It also includes contractor's documents, such as drawings, manuals, or reports. The contractor must also provide all workers, materials, tools, consumables, and other items, or services, whether temporary or permanent, needed to fulfill their responsibilities under the contract. Now, about the scope of the works. The contractor must also carry out any work needed to meet the employer's requirements, the contractor's proposal, and the project schedules. Even if something is not clearly mentioned in the contract, the contractor still has to do the work, if it is necessary for the stability, safe operation, or proper completion of the project. The contractor is fully responsible for the safety, stability, and correctness of their entire construction process. This includes the way they carry out the work, the safety of all their operations, and the stability and safety of the finished structure. Whenever the engineer asks, the contractor must explain how they plan to carry out the work. This includes sharing details of the construction methods and arrangements. If the contractor wants to change those methods in any major way, they must submit the changes to the engineer first. No big changes should be made without informing the engineer and, if necessary, getting approval. To summarize, the contractor must deliver a finished project that works properly and safely. They need to provide all necessary resources and follow correct methods. They are responsible for safety and quality, and they must keep the engineer informed of their plans and any major changes. Thanks for watching. Understanding these obligations helps ensure a successful and compliant construction project under FIDIC.